they went to Madurai, and Murugan has gone to Mottai. So Mottathalai Murugan, now he named him. And Kurta Pajama, Sivarasan and Suba, all these photos were published. Then when we had Viluppuram DSP Krishnamurthy was with us, who retired as IG in Tamil Nadu Police.
Yes.
He was on deputation to CBI. So he was sent to Madurai on the way to Viluppuram to check. Viluppuram, because why? Because that lady, that nurse, she knows Nalini also. We thought Nalini may go to her house. By the time our team went, that house was locked because already they were here. Parents, everybody was brought. That nurse. So that old lady who was sitting in front of the house, about 70-75 years old lady, as usual in Tamil Nadu, that old lady used to have this paku with a beetle net. And when they went and asked, sir, where is this? How many people will come and ask? They have taken the police in Delhi, the Chennai police have taken. Now another one, Mottathalai and Pottai. Pottai means lady.
Okay.
They came and asked about the same thing, and you are also coming and asking. And then Mottathalai Purkan Vandangalanga. Have they come? Yes, just now they came about 3 hours back. And they inquired about this lady, and they were talking. You see, even though she is a very old lady, she told the police, that's a wonder of public information, that they were talking to go to Chennai.
Chennai, yeah.
So she gave indication that they are coming to Chennai. Immediately Krishnamurthy informed Maligai. Throughout from railway station, Egmore railway station, Central railway station, and bus stand, up to Tambaram, beyond Tambaram, our people were dispatched. Every bus stop we dropped one team, and I dropped my team in Saidapet and Gindi. These are the two I took over. Each one has to take over. And Tamil Nadu bus came, and Nalini went, probably got in Saidapet bus stand. She went and sat in an auto rickshaw.
She got
no,
down?
but nobody knew because there is a photographic difference.
Okay.
But look, she doesn't look like the photographer.
Okay.
So she is a tall lady, fair lady, but a different look. But immediately she got down and went and sat in auto rickshaw. Then another fellow got down with a towel on his head and got into the auto rickshaw.
Same auto.
Same auto. That time it got, that towel fell down.
Okay.
Mottathalai. The instruction is any Mottathalai, you have to catch him. There are 2-3 Mottathalais were catched by our team. Already. So this Mottathalai was found to be real.
Okay.
And Nalini, yes, immediately identified. Immediately we took her to Maligai and interrogation started.
Very good catch.
This is I tell you, that is the beginning of our case and end of the case, you can tell. The entire case was opened up.
That means
now
Nalini and Murugan divulged all the information related to this
Nalini
murder.
doesn't know what happened in Sri Lanka, what happened in section of Prabhakaran, how LTT was preparing and all these things. She knows.
But what exactly happened in India, he knows.
Whatever happened in Danu, Suba, where she took them, where she dressed them, where she got them, how she went to Siriparambudur, had biryani in Muniandi Vilas, all these things, everything she told. Okay. But she told, you don't beat my husband, I will tell everything.
Okay.
This is the interrogation technique which we use.
Yeah,
then he told, you don't beat my wife, I will tell everything. So he started with Prabhakaran and ended with Rajiv Gandhi.
Okay.
So now the story is connected.
Okay.
Now the whole story has come, and 14/6/1991 we arrived and told everybody that is LTT is involved in this case. Till then, we have never told immediately after the registration of the case or after the assassination LTT is involved. Our mind was open, and that is how the name of LTT came into the husband.
You said only in the month of June only.
14/6/1991
only.
Yes.
You confirmed that it is the handwork of LTT.
Yes.
And almost you arrested more than 6 accused.
No, 4 accused.
4 accused, and
by that time.
Through Murugan and Nalini, you confirmed it that such organization only is involved. But immediately after the murder is over on 21st of May, even 22nd itself, Dr. Subramanian Swamy went to press and he categorically stated that only LTT is totally involved. How could it be possible?
You say, Mr. No politician opened the mouth, no intelligence agencies came on these things. But only Subramania Swamy went on record that it is the handiwork of LTTE. That's what he told. It is a handiwork of LTTE. That everybody thought that he is the first man to. Later on, I found he not only told the police, he told the political affair committee that it is LTTE, and he
But
fought with.
even if he knows, only after the substantial investigation is over,
No, not after the investigation.
then only he
No,
must be
but,
able to.
But that's what I am telling about Subramania Swamy character. Subramania Swamy, now he can come to, if he is involved in the commission of crime, committing along with the LTTE to kill Rajiv Gandhi, he will not expose his organization. Because he is a party to it, alleging that he is a conspirator to kill Rajiv Gandhi. And he engaged for just namesake LTTE to kill Rajiv Gandhi. He will not open his mouth. That by opening his mouth, he is giving a lead that LTTE has done it before our investigation start.
How is it possible,
No,
sir?
no, I tell you. So, anybody who is involved in the commission of crime will not open the mouth.
That is
Number
correct.
one. Number two. Number two, apart from LTTE, it is Hindu paper who published the Kittu's news. Kittu gave a press interview that we have nothing to do. This Subramania Swamy is spreading false lie that we have nothing to do with Rajiv Gandhi assassination. So they are countermanded by this thing. Now, as an investigating officer, the paper like many news may come, but this is not a lead to me. Haribabu is my lead. Bhaginathan is the lead. Padma is the lead. This is a political talk.
But
No, but
that
this
may
is
be the case. But at that point of time, Tiruchi
no,
Velusamy
yes.
was the All India General Secretary of Janata Party. He was very closely associated with Dr. Subramanian Swamy. He gave statement everywhere, then and there, maybe blatantly, that Subramanian Swamy knows this thing. And immediately prior to the assassination, that is on 21st morning, Subramanian Swamy, instead of going to Delhi and pretending that he is going to Delhi, he stayed back. He met Chandra Swamy in Sinduri Hotel near Apollo
Yes,
Hospital.
yes.
They have some business work at Chennai, and subsequently both Chandra Swamy and Subramanian Swamy went to Delhi via Srivimbudur and Bangalore. He stated.
Yes.
He says that he knows that Rajiv Gandhi murder, who are all the assassins of Rajiv Gandhi murder case, and he is part of the conspiracy.
No.
Likewise, he states,
No,
he
you-
alleges.
you are-
Is there any out of truth?
You see, now we published on 24th May 1991. We published on 14/6/1991. We published on 30/6/1991 in all the newspaper all over India. And we published everywhere. You can see Subramanian.
That is those who are having
Those
evidence
who
with the
are
facts of
any
evidence can
information.
straight away come to
No,
CBI.
any information.
Yes.
Any information about the assassination.
And this Tiruchi Velusamy never
Tiruchi
came to
Velusamy
CBI and
never-
gave this
You see,
information.
I am the man who sat for 24th 1991 till my I was shifted from that Maligai in 1999. 8 years I was sitting in that hospital. He has never come and met me. Number one, he has never telephoned to any officers. We had a control room opened it. There is a register. Thousands and thousands calls registered every day. The Sivarasan is found. That is the one. These are found. Number one. Number two, he filed an application.
In Jain Commission.
In Jain Commission.
Signed
As
affidavit,
a
no?
signed affidavit, he filed it. Why did you not tell us in this investigation? Now tell me, if he is honest, he should help the investigation. What is the inquiry commission? Inquiry commission is inquiring, and he should have given to me, and he should have come and now if he is fearing that Chandraswamy means and this LTT, this CBI people will not take it up. Okay, that is a fear. I agree. He must have that fear. Then he could have sent an anonymous letter to anybody.
Right,
But
sir.
now
But-
listen.
but
no,
Chandraswamy-
tell it. No.
Okay.
Before then, when we got the information that Subramania Swamy and Chandraswamy is involved in this case, not through Velusamy. We got information from other sources.
Okay, okay.
Forget
Okay.
that Chandraswamy and Subramania Swamy are behind it.
Okay.
That information also came from
Okay.
reliable
Through the course of
information source.
Okay.
Now we only checked up. Before Mr. We only gave the information that both of them came to Chennai, and this man met with an accident. He was dropped in the middle way.
Tiruchi Velusamy, okay.
Tiruchi Velusamy, and he came and stayed in a protocol. He was a minister. His stay was arranged in Triton Hotel, and he was to take the flight to Delhi. but he did not check in on these things. When he came to know Chandraswamy is there in Sinduri Hotel, he straight went to Sinduri. Sinduri Hotel, when they went, they met on 20th, 20th. 20th night they met. 21st morning, they both went to Bangalore by road, via Siriperambur. And from there, they took the flight to Delhi. This is, we have collected the evidence also. But Chandraswamy and Subramanian Swamy, they went along with that Siriperambur road. That time, anybody can go. It is not a prohibited place, number one. And Chandraswamy is a close friend of Chandrasekhar and Narasimha Rao. Everybody, that also we know. He is also against this thing. But any evidence should come by the accused.
Okay, you are correct. You are correct, sir. There must be some substantial evidence to proceed further.
Yes.
Then only we can lay hands on somebody else. Okay, I do admit, sir. But when Chandraswamy was able to leave this country to some other foreign country, when actually his passport was impounded, he appealed in the High Court of Delhi. CBI raised its objection in the High Court of Delhi, stating that we want to investigate Chandraswamy in the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case. He is a suspect.
Yes,
there is some sort of conspiracy surrounding him, his activities.
So spoiled.
So we want to interrogate him. So let the passport be impounded further. He shall not be allowed to leave out of India, go out of India. Likewise, the CBI raised an objection to the High Court. Is it true or not?
Yes, after filing the charge sheet, now the concentration is to help the Jain Commission of Inquiry. Our job was to help the Jain Commission of Inquiry. Jain Commission also started in 1992, but it waited till I filed a charge sheet because he did not open the inquiry immediately. He said, you complete your investigation and then you come to me and assist, because there was no separate investigation wing for Jain Commission to assist. It is only we assisted. Then when the affidavit came, that Subramanian Swamy, Veluchami affidavit was there, and not along with that, Session Chief Election Commissioner, he filed a petition affidavit against Subramanian Swamy. And he is the person who is organized this LTTE to kill Rajiv Gandhi. Veluchami knows only he is involved. But Session is the affidavit. He told that he only engaged. Why? Because he gave the reason for it.
He was the senior-most bureaucrat, honest upright officer, and he only brought all reforms so far as the elections are concerned.
Yes, exactly.
He is a revered person. He cannot lie.
No, definitely.
He must. If all here, there was some evidence.
That is the reason why we filed the affidavit in the High Court, because he is not as a charge sheeted accused.
Yes.
92 when I filed, he is not a charge sheeted accused.
Yes.
And there is no question in the public, they are the suspect, they are not the suspects. But when we assisted this Commission of Inquiry, we took the affidavit of Session, and there we have to further investigate his role. Okay. So we should block him. We should not go. So we took action on the basis of the Commission, these things. And indirectly we were helping Commission. Many people, we were examining. Now, what happened was, after the Commission was submitted a report.
There are 23 suspects.
Yes, 23.
Whose activities has to be further verified.
Further investigated.
You are aware of it, sir?
Yes, 100%.
Okay.
I was a part of MDMA.
That means,
now, death of Shanmugam also.
That means, apart from those accused,
yes, 41 accused.
26 accused.
No, apart from 41 accused.
Totally 41.
41.
3 absconding, 12 dead, and 26 arrested and charge sheeted. Totally 41 accused. Apart from those 41 accused, there must be involvement of some other accused who are actually aided or abetted or conspirated in this offense.
Jain Commission.
Named by Jain Commission.
Yes.
That means
it is a duty bound to investigate it.
Then, are you satisfied that your investigation was perfect and all those accused charge sheet were only the real accused, or still some more accused are to be secured and interrogated, investigated?
Yes, this question.
Or further investigation is to be started?
This question, I need not wait for Veluchami's affidavit. I need not wait for Session advocate.
Yes.
I need not wait for any Jain Commission. During my investigation, I came across a very pinching evidence, documentary evidence. I am not depending upon oral evidence. I always go for documentary evidence.
Yes.
When I collected the documentary evidence, Karunanidhi was to address at 6 o'clock at Siriperambur.
Okay.
On 21st, 8 o'clock, Rajiv Gandhi was to address. Rajiv Gandhi place was school ground, far away from the city. And he was addressed to Gandhi Maidan. It is already given. Every preparation is already arranged. The same DGP Rangaswamy organized Mohammad Iqbal told that you must see IG Raghavan was in charge of the Changalpattu Range. They told the two politicians are coming, both are enemies, you must see nothing unhappened should happen. So 300 people were summoned and mounted, and they are all summoned on 21st. Then when 21st they are all mounted, at 12 o'clock one telegram is coming from Anna Arivalayam to that DMK secretary, that meeting of Karnataka
Sirivambur secretary.
Yes, postponed. You see, he gave the letter, that DMK secretary only gave the letter to Inspector Madhuram. I want my leader is coming and all these things. Okay, Gandhi Maidan allotted. That is given. When the Congress people came, he told 3 kilometers away from you have to go. So they have to go out 3 kilometers, go to school ground. Now, school ground also he was not assassinated. He assassinated in the temple land. Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated. So it is not the selection of them also. It is a choice chosen by the Maharaja Chandrasekhar. Now, this Gandhi Maidan, that is the center of the Siripambur town, that place was also occupied by DMK. So now, last minute on 21st May 1991 at 12 o'clock, I collected the requisition of DMK secretary, I collected the requisition of the Congress secretary, I collected the telegram also from him, and I found the Bandobast scheme. Deployment scheme I asked. Bandobast scheme is different. Deployment scheme is different.
Deployment.
So actual deployment, name and designation and all these things. So I got the names and other things. Then I asked why Karunanidhi 100 people have mobilized. Why did you not send them back? Where did you place it? I placed it in Rajiv Gandhi meeting. So plus 150, 150, 300 people were there. 300 policemen were deployed. So the deployment of the police was diverted on account of this telegram. Then
Since
I went
the other meeting was cancelled.
Cancelled. So I came to Arivalayam post office. That time you have to write it, handwriting. I collected, and it was written by the manager of a DMK secretariat. And I inquired him.
Do you see any reason behind
No, I just want to know. Any meeting is addressed at that time. Session was done as Chief Election Commissioner. Meeting was going on throughout night. The leader will come and all these things. Why he cancelled the meeting? As you rightly
Maybe
told.
national leader comes
to that's what the national leader. Let him say. At least we have to inquire. Why he cancelled it. He must postpone it or anything. He should cure it. So when I came back and told my joint director, when Karunanidhi name came, I have to take permission. I cannot straight away walk into the Karunanidhi and inquire. Even though we have an independent chief investigating officer, CRPC, everything, we are bound by the departmental rules. So when we came and we informed this thing, he immediately shouted at me. See, a man can answer.
Joint director.
Shouted at me. Because I investigated a case in Karnataka cadre. He is a Karnataka cadre, in which Jalapa was booked. Don't do that same magic here. This part I have already examined. I have examined Karunanidhi. He told that DGP Rangaswamy asked him to cancel the meeting. So this part you don't look into it. I got the message. That is where I have to. You were telling that after I got dejected. No, during investigation itself, there was a block. The second block was when we collected the material, who informed?
You are the chief investigating officer in this case. If your joint director has actually interrogated some persons, he must have given the statement and the diary.
This is what.
Whether you got it, sir?
No, CD, nothing was given.
Then that
is a statement made by him.
Okay.
And immediately, you please listen another thing. Secondly, when we seized a cassette, Puligalin Kuhail. That's a very important cassette which you must see. We seized the original cassette. What we are seeing is only edited cassette, in which the speech of Vaiko Palaswamy is flaming speech against Rajiv Gandhi, more than anybody else. The LTTL, nobody has talked like that. In such a way he was talking, and he got introduced to Prabhakaran, he got introduced to Pottuamman in 1989, February, and leave alone, that is a cassette, that is a meeting. What I came to know later on, After telling this man, my director, joint director, that I must have some more material to counter him. See,
Okay.
I collected the trunk call ticket. Where from this telephone came to Anna Arivalayam Police. I took all the calls to Anna Arivalayam on 21st night,
Oh,
20th night, 20th night.
Actual
21st night it has
21st
happened.
the occurrence took
20th
place.
night I got it. I saw in Murasoli paper on 21st meeting is postponed. That news has come.
it was morning itself.
Morning itself Murasoli has published it.
Okay.
But nobody knew it is.
Okay.
But telegram came. Why telegram came? That's also I asked. Why Murasoli newspaper has come? You could have gone and shown it to police officers. They would not have called another 100 officers. No sir, they did not believe this office. Murasoli, it's a party pair. I want some authentic. Then only he spoke to the manager and asked him to send the telegram to give it to the police. Number one. Number two, I collected it. That call came from Kalingapatti. He was in a meeting, Mr. Vaiko, nearby area. From there it has come. One ticket. I collected from the telephone department, telegraph.
To Arivalayam.
To Arivalayam. Not Arivalayam. Then, even though I had some friends, good friends in DMK also, in Murasoli office also I had one friend. So I casually asked him, why did you publish this? He is the editor, in charge. It's only Talaivar has told me to publish it at 1 o'clock. So after the telecom came at 12 o'clock, that news 1 o'clock, it was. Now I knew this man only has informed Karnataka not to go to Sriperambur. That means he knows already, and he was afraid of if he goes there, he is not only going to Sriperambur, he is going to Tiruvallur, he is going to Kanchipuram, he is going to, he is covering the entire places. So naturally he expected some onslaught on DMK. And they expected some Sri Lankan Tamils people also after the assassination. As it happened in Indira Gandhi case, that when the identity known, that Sikh was massacred. So they were preparing for that. But still something happened. That you have recorded from that Chandra's husband, that he was not able to immediately come because that post was
yes,
there.
yes,
There was some galata.
Correct.
So in that process they would have hurted him. Number one. Number two, information which also came, that immediately after 7 o'clock, all the TMK meetings were called off. Were called off.
Next day.
No, on 21st evening.
21st evening. Okay.
Before assassination. Before assassination, something is going to happen, you all close it. But Barnala was addressing a meeting in Chengalpattu. He was caught.
Governor.
Not that time governor. He came, who became the governor of Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
He was SAD, he was supporting DMK.
Okay.
So he went for a public meeting there, not as a governor. So he was caught. So police escorted him and brought him down here. So such things had happened. And in the process, he would have also been assaulted. So in the good interest only, Vaiko has told him, probably. But he knows. After all, you cannot underestimate, because I know the acts and minds of all these people. So, if at all you wanted me at that time, I have arrested two people. One is Vaiko and another is DMK. Why? Because you have the knowledge that something is going to happen. At least as a public, you are expected to inform the police. You see, it's a duty bound. You forget about it. It may happen to you tomorrow also. On the other hand, the overtact comes in the form of Murasoli publication. Second overtact comes in the form of telegram. Third, you do not go at all. This is called overtax in our thing. For that, there is a section, the definition of accused in CRPC, who is directly or indirectly involved in the commission of offence. They are accused. Or that Mekule, I must congratulate him and praise him, he added one more word. Or privy to the offence. Privy to the offence. Privy means anybody who doesn't have a knowledge about the conspiracy, who doesn't know about the preparation, who doesn't know about going to be the execution,
Doesn't have the
but
intention also.
he is involved. So in that, I brought so many accused. Not only this 41 accused, don't think that everybody is directly involved. Indirectly involved people are there, privy to offence is there. Husband and wife, why wife should be charge sheeted? Why wife should be charge sheeted? Privy. So we have provision. That is how it got. Number one. Number two, that itself, I decided to quit. I offered my, this is, sir, I will, because when I feel that my head is not all right, I said I will quit this.
Whether you have informed this all
No,
these things to
I
joint
called
director?
him. No, because he is a man who is against me, who is talking like that. Do you mean to say that again I will go and inform him? I was appointed not by him. I was appointed by my DIG, Ramani, and Joint Director, Datta. So I went to Ramani. Ramani was at that time DIG. He was also a part of DIG. So this is what I cannot continue this investigation. Because let me have their yes man and do it. Then immediately he went and consulted Radha Vinod Raj. He is another Jammu and Kashmir officer. They both came to me for your information. Don't think that in CBI, that is the association between a subordinate rank and a senior. They are like my, not like superior officers. They were my well-wishers. Raghotaman, at this point of time, we have arrested Murugan, Nalini, Bhagyanathan, Padma, Arivu.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. தி ஐ ஓபனர் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. முடிஞ்சா பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.